Now it's time for Vantage Shots, images that tell the story. In China, newly installed sewage pipes rupture, drenching cars and pedestrians. Storm Helen, which is one of the most powerful storms to hit the US, leaves behind a trail of destruction. And the world's first 3D printed hotel takes shape in Texas. Finally, we're taking you back in history. On this day in 1996, the Taliban captured the Afghan capital of Kabul, establishing the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. The Taliban's first stint in power came with strict rules like head-to-toe coverings for women and ban on music and TV. Their second stint right now is no different. We're leaving you on that note. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend.